Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit Shopify contact form. Let's get started. So first, let's head over in here to our customize under our online store, and in here you should be able to open your Shopify theme editor. Now on default, there's already a contact form or contact page for that. So let's head over and click on this home page. And from in here, you should be able to see the contact form. You can also just search in here if you can't see it. So let's search for that. And then as you can see, here's a contact form. Now, once I click on that, as you can see, this will be the look of our contact form. So if you want to edit it, you can click on this specific thing. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to edit the heading size as well as the color scheme. For example, let's try to edit the color scheme into a lighter blue, just like this. And then in here, you can also edit out the actual content of your contact form. So if you want to edit it out, you can head over and then click on that specific page. So here's our contact form. Click on this three dots right here. You can also duplicate and remove it. But if you want, for example, to add a first name and last name, then what you can do instead is you can change this. So head over and click on this change right here. And this is actually the layout. So in here, this is the selected layout on our contact form. As you can see, it has been assigned to that. So let's select that. And here you can see that. So we can actually edit it out by clicking on that specific page right here. And if you want to remove a few things, like for example, this name page, you can edit it out itself. Now just save your progress, and there's actually a second method in order to do this. So to do this next, we can head back to our dashboard, and on our dashboard right here, you can click on this pages. And under that, you should be able to see the contact page. So under this contact page, you should be able to see in here the contact form just like this. But make sure to copy this theme template, which is the contact theme template. And in here, you can also get more actions as well as view the page and everything from in here. So for example, if you want to add some more things, then you can add it from in here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.